I'm asking people would they have a one night stand with me.
Would I have a one night stand with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'ma walk you, make you mine, I ain't playing, baby. I think I love you, girl, you got me going crazy, baby. I get the money, yeah, I'm working, I ain't lazy, baby. Just hold me down, I hold you down, keep it silent, baby.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a while because I don't know, I just didn't have no ideas or nothing to post or something. But I'm back and I'm finna be consistent. This August, what's today? August 3rd? August 2nd, August 3rd, what are these days? This month I'm gonna try to post at least 2 videos a month. It's not, it don't sound like it's nothing because it's really not, but when it ain't no, I don't have no ideas, that's gonna be good enough for me. I gotta be more consistent, so I gotta start off slow, gotta do baby steps, you feel me? But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. I'm PBG Key, and today I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be on the little monkey app. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all know what the monkey app is. It's basically like an app where you FaceTime random people from around the world. But today I'm gonna be doing the monkey app, and I'm gonna be asking girls, would you have a one night stand with me? That's basically what I'll be asking. Let's get into it though. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm screen recording. Hold up. Gotta make sure I'm screen recording. Yeah. Alright. Look at all these dudes, man. Hold on, let me change my thing. Let's get. I'm getting a whole bunch of dudes. Come on now. Yo, why you in the dark? I got a question though. Would you have a one night stand with me? Yes or no?
Maybe.
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 Why is it maybe?
I don't know.
No. You gotta get off this app though when you in the dark. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna add you as a friend. I'm gonna go to the next person.
Okay.
Alright. You gotta add me back.
I've been there.
Gosh, you're taking forever. Alright. That's what. I'm not giving you. Oh my gosh, bro. Watch out. Mason. Yo.
Hello.
What's up? I got a question.
What?
Would you have a one night stand with me?
One night stand?
Yeah, answer. Come on, answer. Hurry up. Oh my gosh. What is she doing? Dang, go repeat the question. Why do people do that? You clearly heard the question. Why you go repeat it? Like you didn't hear what I said. You heard exactly what I said. And give me a whole bunch of dudes. Okay, let's see her. She better not see me, bro. She don't. Yo.
Hello?
What's up?
Hi.
Where your face at? Oh, add time real quick. I got an X question.
You said,
Damn. She said add what? Add time. It's a monkey app. What the fuck? Shit. Talking about add what? Time. Add time. That's what I said. I'm getting a whole bunch of girls from the baby. She skipped me. Richmond. We in Richmond at the 5-star party. That's a little inside joke. By the way, there's my cousin here. Hello?
Hello?
Yo, what's up? I got a question. Add time real quick. What's wrong with your screen?
It's blurry.
What you on, Android? Oh, there you go. What was I finna say? Oh yeah, well, I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and I was wondering, would you have a one night stand with me? Your shit blurry again. You said no?
No.
Why not?
Cause no.
What? I'm ugly?
Yeah.
Oh damn. That's scandalous. She called me ugly. Alright. Alright. Damn, she called me ugly. Damn, that's crazy. I'm ugly, y'all. She was ugly too. She wasn't even trying to show her face. I don't care.
Cause you gotta add time if you wanna talk to him. Oh.
Yeah, you gotta add time you wanna talk to her. Yeah, add time. Thank you. I told them to add time. They didn't add time. They talk about you gotta add time if you wanna talk to them. But they're not gonna add time. Come on, what kind of shit is that? Let's see for sure. From San Francisco. She scared me. Why is they skipping me? Monkey had an update though. It's showing like where they from and everything. I'm getting a heck of dudes though. It'll be a whole bunch of dudes out here be a heck of thirsty. So girls, if you looking for a dude, get on Monkey. Oh shit, they say she's 16. I don't know. Yo.
Hey.
While looking at the ceiling.
You only have like 2.
Thank you. Yo. Why you gonna be on the app if you not gonna talk? Dang, just sitting here making me look at the ceiling. It's just irritating. There's a whole bunch of people on here like that. If you go be on this app and go look at the ceiling and you're not gonna talk, what are you on here for? You look at people? Get on Instagram and do that. By the way, follow me on Instagram at PBG_Key. A little shameless plug. But yeah, like, this is an app to talk to people, to talk to strangers. If you shy, get off of here. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and I'm asking girls. I'm asking girls what they Hello? You said what? How old are y'all first? How old are you? You said what? I can't even hear y'all. Y'all whispering and shit. They over here whispering. You rate me a what? An 8? I mess with an 8. That's cool. A 9? I mess with it. I wasn't gonna ask them that, but they was talking heckin' much. I couldn't even ask them a question. Some like some little kids and said she was 19. What the next video I do is having a roast session with people with Monkey. If y'all wanna see that type of video, cause I see everybody be doing the rate me videos and would you date me and stuff. But if y'all wanna see roast session on Monkey, on the Monkey app, comment down below if y'all wanna see that, cause I definitely do that. Cause it be some ugly boys in here. Some ugly girls I get on too. Where's all the girls at? I done seen this dude about 3 times. He's thirsty. He's thirsty trying to fight a girl. His profile picture, he got his shirt off, trying to flex. No, you really 16? Oh, what would you rate me? Out of 1 through 10. A 9. Yo.
God, look at all that hair.
You 19?
Yes.
Alright, I got I got a question for you. Ad time? Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
Look at your hair.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
I'm doing a YouTube video right
What you
now.
use on your hair?
Oh my, I use just shampoo and conditioner.
Wow.
I use shampoo and
Oh,
conditioner.
it's so luscious.
What, you want some dick?
Thank you.
Okay, tell me, what's up?
Alright, I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
A YouTube video?
Yeah, and I'm asking people would they have a one night stand with me. You heard me?
I can't hear you, you're breaking up.
I said I'm asking people would they have a one night stand with me.
Would I have a one night stand with you?
Yeah. Yes or no?
A one night stand with him? Sure, why not?
Alright, right on. That's what's up. She was over here thinking, ain't go hard about it. Like it's gonna really happen. It ain't gonna really happen. Yo, what's up?
What's up? He's 1 mile away.
Can y'all add time real quick? I'm 20.
Oh,
I'm doing it. You said what? I like your accent.
Thank you.
Where you
I
from?
just came from New Zealand.
That's what's up.
I'm from Oakland.
Wait. You from Oakland, but you just came from New Zealand?
Yes, I was born here and I moved when I was 5 years old.
That's what's up. Your accent goes stupid. But anyways, I'm doing a YouTube video, and can y'all? You said you 19?
Yes.
Both of y'all 19?
No, she's my younger sister.
Oh well, this is a question for you. Would you have a one night stand with me?
Yes, I would.
You would. Now, yes, this is a question for your sister. What would she rate you 1 through 10?
What would you like her? 8.
8. That's what's up. Right on. That's cool, I guess. All right. Her accent goes stupid. Her accent goes. I ain't gonna lie. That's how my Siri talk. My Siri talk like that. Yo, what's up?
I love your hair.
Thank you. I like your eyebrows.
Thank you.
I think that was her mom in the bag, so I didn't want to ask. Unless it was just an older white lady. She's 15, I'm not gonna ask you. Oh, Art. What's up? Yeah, y'all turned up, huh? My bad, my camera stopped recording for some reason. I guess when they hit the 30-minute mark, you gotta turn it off. But yeah, anyway, that's gonna be an end to this video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. And comment down below if y'all really want to see that little roast session or any other videos y'all like to see me do. I'm probably gonna start doing pranks now too, so probably gonna do some pranks on my mom. But comment down below what y'all like to see. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm out. Peace.
I'm looking for that one that hold me down when my life is feeling done. I'm looking for my baby girl, looking for that one. The one that's tryna ride, she ain't never tryna run.